Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can enable milestones as an applicable feature in your workspaces and projects in the plain project management application. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your workspace in the plain project management app and open also your project here to the left, expand it, and you will see these features that are set to that are applicable on default. However, guys, as you can see, no milestones are enabled. So if you'd like to enable these, you will need to access your project settings. To do that, click into that gear icon in the bottom left. And what you want to do next is navigate from workspace to projects. And here to the left, you will see features. Click into it. And there you will see, for example, projects and work items, as well as work management here. And milestones are currently disabled. So simply toggle them off here, toggle them on, sorry, here to the right. And that should enable them so that you may use them within your projects. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.